I do not.
We were literally up till 3 a.m. last weekend.
I've never played games past.
I was
midday.
watching you play Snake at 2 in the morning.
I've literally never played a game.
I was watching you
I would
play
say I've
Snake
never actually booted
at
up a
2
game.
in the
I would
morning.
say I've never booted up a game.
God, I forgot what my guy looked like.
What the fuck you just say about me, little bitch?
I called you a rat friend.
That's nasty.
What? Rats are cute.
Weirdo rats. Weirdo rats. So come on, let's go. Let's go.
We're not all day.
No, right, okay, we have to.
Let's go. Let's go.
You have to ask
Let's
nicely.
go.
I'm not clicking
Go.
let's say until you ask
Let's
nicely.
go.
I'm not clicking let's say until you ask nicely.
Set sail.
Until you ask nicely, I'm not
Set sail.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Do it.
Let's do it. Do
No.
it. Do
No, let's
it.
go.
Do it. Pussy
Yeah.
Hey!
I would say if I had to put you into one of two categories, either based or cringe, I would say you're cringe.
Shut up. This is bullying. This is bullying. Jim's about as useless as a chocolate teapot.
Yeah, he always has been.
And it always will be.
We're sinking, guys.
No, it's the storm, it just fills it up a little bit.
Guys, we're sinking. Guys, we're sinking. Guys, watch out, we're sinking.
Oh, he's just thrown up on me. You little bucker. Hang on, I'm making my way over. Wait, which way are you turning?
Very, very,
You're turning
very
the
hot.
wrong way. I'm not going to be able to get to you, Warren.
I'm coming in extremely too hot. I'm coming in really hot. It's too hot.
Jesus Christ.
It's getting hot in here. Oh no, I'm crushing the shit.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, here comes one. Here comes one.
We're gaming.
See, how's this stressful? It's fun. Plonk, plonk. Somehow missed us every time. You just gotta trust in Providence.
This is.
This one's looking risky, isn't it?
Oh,
We're
rats.
the rats.
We're the
We're
rats.
the rats. We're the rats.
Oh, we're coming in hot.
Maybe anchor or don't or don't.
Yep, I've anchored. I've anchored.
We've landed.
Oh, that's definitely good.
We're here. Stroke. Stroke.
I can actually hear you.
I'm getting a JOI experience here.
Stroke. Rock and stone.
Oh, throwing up into my pint while drinking it. It's getting hot in here.